Welcome back to another earthquake video for a recent sizable earthquake. So here we go. 5.2 magnitude earthquake at 79 kilometers west of Orcopampa, Peru. Happened at 5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and a depth of 59 kilometers. If you felt this, let me know in the comment section below and from where. And with that, clearing out notification and zooming on in. So near village over here, I can't pronounce, but like Kechala or something like that. I don't know. Continuing on down. There we go. Here's up in Long Mountainside, like this valley area. So yeah, with that, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.